Check this out. When spreadsheet consulting pays to bring your parents-in-law to Machu Picchu, it's when you realize that it was worth learning a lot of array formulas from Mike Girvin from ExcelIsFun. So Mike, if you ever up for coming to Peru, Machu Picchu, then yep, come to meet the Inca face. Thank you, Mike, thank you, and many other Excel's MVP for all their knowledge share. Let me just bring this up and let's see. We can put it right here. We can see maybe potentially the Inca face, maybe, hopefully. Well, bottom line is just invest in learning Excel, invest in learning about data. Right now it's hot, and I think it's gonna be for centuries to come to know about data and Excel and array formulas. Take care, everyone.